but besides that, freaking what up, everybody? It's the car meat guy here. Yeah, I changed my name. No more car meat chaser, but I don't know. I don't know. I just didn't like the chaser part, and then like people started calling me the car meat guy. So it's just a little bit better like that. And I actually got some replies saying they like that better. So asked some people. So we're gonna keep it like that for now until something else comes up. But I'm gonna show you my exhaust. I've been dying to talk about and show the I guess the Mark 7 community. So let's head out to the garage. Oh my god, where's my keys? Oh yeah, they're already in the car. Okay. Let's head out here. And here's the baby. I hope my neighbors don't freaking hate me for this. Oh. Wow, no Kevin. God damn it, I knew I needed the key. Yeah, the CTS Downpipe is pretty loud. I do have the crack and pop, like the crackle pop tune from Unitronic, so that's what gives it kind of the pa. Exhaust. I'm just gonna talk about the car. I've got at first I got no muffler, no resin air delay. If you drive the car daily and you want a pretty calm, I think this car sounds good like that. It should have came from the factory like that. But then, if you want to go crazy and go really crazy, so up here, I'm not gonna open the hood. You know, Feds might be watching or something. I don't want to expose the downpipe, but I actually have a secret to tell you guys. A really big secret. I got a CTS Downpipe. Oh, yeah. So I got a CTS Downpipe from CTS. My buddies hooked up. My buddies from Metric Autosport all the way down Huntington Beach, where I get my tuning, and pretty much my car parts from now on. Besides like the little things I could do myself. He installed a downpipe for free. I just had to pay for obviously the downpipe, and I got a stage 2 with the crackles and pops. So, I mean, that's pretty dope. But I'll give a little review on the downpipe itself. One, it has to make the car have way more power. But I mean, that was paired up with the stage 2, so the car is absolutely insane with the power. But it is also stupid loud, stupid loud, like really loud. And my neighbors they complain. I got people coming up to me around the neighborhood saying like, yo, like we're gonna freaking call HOAs, call the cops. Like the car is extremely loud. The CTS down, like extremely. So if you guys are planning, if you're planning to go all out, I would get the downpipe. I would get the CTS one. I mean, it's fine, but you got people out here paying like $800 for a downpipe. The CTS only paid like $450, and that's like the most you could pay. I mean, I should have got it on sale for $370, but I couldn't wait any longer. I really wanted to get the downpipe. So, but yeah, if you want the craziest you could get, then I would totally go for the CTS Downpipe. Before we drive throughout the neighborhoods and before I launch off, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and it would really make me happy. for those of you who are not in California, we've been having a lot of fires recently. It's getting pretty bad around here. Oh dang, look at that.
Shh, honey, he's gonna hear you.
He ain't gonna hear me.
Trust me. I can hear you from all the way to the house.
Oh, from here?
Yes, I'm dead serious.
Oh.
I can hear the Corrado and yours.
Wow, is it that loud? For those viewing, hopefully this would be a decider if you guys want to get a downpipe or not. If you want your neighbors to hate you, get a downpipe. I switched my miles, the speed, the units to kilometers. So I'm looking down the dash. I'm like, damn, am I really going 100? But I'm only going like 60. That shit scared me for a second, dude. Wow, bro, I always get yellows. You got the fire though. Dang. It's like a war zone right here.
I can't believe there's like actually ash in the air.
I haven't seen ash in the air since like I was in like elementary school. Yeah. Yeah,
She
get
said
that.
if the house burned down that they would just build it up.
Yeah. Get that. Full straight pipe. Oh, I gotta get this in the neighborhood. I'm sure all your DSG owners wish you could do this. But all y'all could do is do the DSG farts. No, but I love DSG transmission though. It's still good. We'll talk about that in another video. Oh, we're home. So I hope you guys like the exhaust. If you guys got information, any info, if you guys want any info or anything about the exhaust, you know, you can leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.